When you add Copilot for Microsoft 365, it provides a Copilot icon within Excel that you can use. So in the ribbon at the top, you'll see a new icon for Copilot. When you click on that, it's going to open up a window off to the right that helps you analyze the information in the table. Now, if you notice, it has to be a table. It can't just be a chart. So for it to analyze it, you need to make your data into a table. And then it can do data analysis, where it analyzes this table and brings important information. It can model, allow users to explore different scenarios with what-if questions on how to model a change. It provides visualizations with charts and graphs, writes formulas, gives you assistance with the formulas, organizing, cleaning up data, providing other suggestions and insights. It can even automate tasks. So let's look. We have some sample data here, and it's for chai tea sales, and it's percentage of sales, how many units, social media engagement, things of that sort, along with dates. So let's analyze it. So when we're in Copilot, we see that we have other information here. We have analyze it, other formula, add columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a prompt down here, a sample one, that is create another column that shows the percentage of column C, which is the artisanal chai sales, as opposed to the total. And when I hit go, what it's going to do is analyze the table. It's understanding what data we have in the table, and it's going to provide a formula that will show the percentage. So it's generating that formula for my column suggestion. And there's the formula. Now, did it create the column? No. But if I hover over insert column, now it shows that column. And it's showing on column A that artisanal chai sales is 25% of the total sales. That's exactly what I'm looking for, because that's what we're marketing, right? So I can click insert column, and now it's a permanent column. It's not just one that's in there. Now, we also have some suggestions. Show data insights, suggestions for formulas. We can ask it suggestions. What do you think we need to know about this? So I'm going to say this one about show data insights. So what it's going to do is it's going to look at those data that we have and provide insights on that information. So it's analyzing that data, and now it's providing. There's the sales by unit, by date. Again, it gives us options and a summary. Here's the data insight for it, and I'm going to add it to a new sheet. So it's going to add another sheet down here, and it's going to add that graph automatically. Now I can go back to the table, and it's going to take me back and give me other suggestions. Can I see another insight? There's another one, outliers. Wow, that's another good one. Let's add it to another sheet. So it creates another sheet down here. So with this, the social media engagement, there's an outlier on it. So now we can analyze and find out what that outlier is. So there's lots of suggestions you can use for Copilot to analyze that data. But again, you notice that it changes right here, right? There's no information here because it's on a sheet. But when I go to the table, now it provides the prompts, right? And the way we saw these insights, that's great, but add all insights. Look at that. So now it's providing an overview of all the insights related to the data that's in there that we can use for evaluation or to incorporate into other items, such as PowerPoint or Word documents. So that's just a brief overview of how Excel has Copilot and can provide information that we can use